What the hell am I doing? What time is it? Oh my god. Well, today's show is called the Early Bird Special. And I don't feel like I want to go out and get any worms either. Wait a minute, the early bird catches the worm. I probably should use that one. I like that one too. That's a classic. Early bird catches the worm. How you doing, guys? This is Captain Boomer with his Early Bird Special. Yeah, hoping to catch some of those badass boomers out on the East Coast. Yeah, you know who you are. Come on. What is it, an hour later or something? I'm supposed yeah, well, anyway, my people told me that you guys are up this time of day and starting your day. So I can't think of a better way to start your day, East Coast Boomers, and to start your day with the old captain. Who are you trying to shit, you moron? Anyways, good morning. Good morning, Captain Boomer. I have yet to do a show this early, but what the hell? There's always, a first time, right? And we'll see what happens. And because I like the numbers I'm seeing, I'm getting a little bit more people buying into my bullshit. Well, to some degree, yeah, that's true. Because this whole program is bullshit. Except when I get pissed off and vent. And there's a lot of venting going on out there. At least there should be. Anyway, that's some good coffee. Not as good as Aunt B has. I'll tell you what. Up in old Mayberry, North Carolina, you betcha. You get a chance to go up and visit it. Seriously, it is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, me and the wife and the son, we had a long road trip from here, the Twin Cities, to Mount Airy, North Carolina, where the actual real Mount, where they took the idea from Mount Airy, and they made it in for the TV series itself. They called it. They changed the name to Mayberry. There you go. And man, I'm telling you, it's pretty cool. Yeah, we really enjoyed it. And all the old the scenes that were there that they used in the TV show is pretty much up there in this real town called Mount Airy. Yeah. Yep, pretty neat. I was hoping to run in and thought maybe they'd have Goomer and Gomer up there, and stuff like that. That'd have been really cool. They had, I don't think they had it open up. We got up there too early, but you could have taken a ride. I gotta answer. Hang on. Yeah, you could have actually taken a ride, but I think it was a little spendy. I think it was like $35, $40. So it was a little spendy, but anyway, you could have actually taken a ride in the old, I think it was a Ford Cruiser, black and white, a sheriff's car that Andy drove, and once in a while dared to let Barney drive once in a while with his one bullet. And anyway, so, but that you could have took a tour like that. But anyways, we just saved our money and just drove around the town ourselves because you pretty much could see the signs and stuff, and you know what I'm saying. So yeah, but if you ever get a chance, yeah, it is pretty cool. And yeah, but like I was saying, I was hoping they'd have a few people doing the characters up there, but they didn't. Like shameful, Barney. You going out with two gals at the same time. Shameful. Anyway, stuff like that. I think that'd have been great. But we got to see the jail, where Otis locks himself in at night, well, not every night. I assume it's a Friday or Saturday night. And what a classic show. Anyway, let's move on, shall we? We're going to be featuring an artist today that passed away, I believe, this year. Or was it last year? Mr. Tom Petty. We're going to listen to some Tom Petty music. If you're a Tom Petty fan, I got your calling right here. I got Mr. Tom Petty on deck. And there you go. And the Muppets are here too. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this, right, guys? You betcha. Anyway. Yes, indeed. Okay, where else we going with this? Huh? What do you think? Oh my God. It's the help me guy, huh? Boy, we need a lot of help nowadays, don't we, guys? I'm not going to get off on a tear. But, yeah, this COVID stuff is just really kicking our ass. And, and it's almost like this thing is set up to a certain degree that I just don't get it. You have yet to get a straight answer on what I think is just some important question that should be answered. And it's just, every time you turn it around, they got different numbers, they got different this, different that. Now the vaccine people are fighting over, one says, oh, we're 90%, one says 94%, oh, geez. Doesn't take a genius to see where this is going to be going. Oh, well, sure, there'll be bidding wars and stuff, and these pharmaceutical companies are still going, licking their chop. How much are they going to charge for these shots? Are they going to be free? I think not. They should be, but I don't think so. Yeah, we got your shots, guys. They're $500. Yeah, $500. Line up and get you a shot. Whatever. That's another thing that remains to be seen. Let's see what happens here with that stuff. And anyway, by the time he gets down to us old farts, so we're and you and me, us boomers, we're kind of on the bottom of the totem pole. We're going to be one of the last groups, if not the last group, of humanoids to get this vaccine. So there you go. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. And I still don't know what this vaccine does. Does it cure, prevent, lessen the symptoms, and how long is it good for? How long does it last? Stuff like that. Is it something once a year shot, like a flu shot, or is it going to be something that it only lasts for 2-3 months? Or now I heard a rumor. Somebody told me, and I believe it was my son, that the spit test. Now I don't know if I heard it right, but anyway, I heard the spit test that you spit in the thing. The spit test is supposedly only good for the day you test. You spit in it. It's only good for one day. And if that's the case, what the hell? Oh man. Anyway, yeah, the whole thing is just a can of worms, and yeah, it's a mess. It is a freaking mess without a doubt. That's for sure. Anyway, what else we got here? Well, we could do something like this. What do we got going here? Yeah, we are going to be playing Tom Petty, guys. Yeah, oh, I got to introduce, can't remember the name of the town. Italy checked in the other day. Thank you, Italy. And boy, that country is really getting her ass kicked too, huh? Yeah. Oh, man. Yeah. Anyway, where was it? Where did it go? Come on. I had it here. Where'd it go? Here it is. There you go. That was the yakety sack, huh? What do you think of that? I like the yakety sack. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I like this. I got myself some new special effects, and Lord knows I need them. Yes, indeed, I need them. I need all the help I can get. That is for sure. Right, Rod?
Hey, how you doing? I tell ya, we want the group here. We want 2 pitchers of beer. We want one every 7 minutes until somebody passes out, and then after that, give us one every 5 minutes. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You betcha, Rod. No problem with that, buddy. Okay, let's see what else we got here. God, man, my fingers don't want to work for shit this time of the day. Right, guys? You betcha. Yeah, there you go. We got the meds in the morning, meds in the evening, meds at supper time. Be my medication and medicate me all the time. Yeah, thank you. I love that one. Yeah, that's what I live on the old VA meds. Whatever they send, I just take it. I'm just getting tired of getting those dog tranquilizers all the time. I mean, that's getting a little ridiculous. Right, guys? Yeah. Anyway. Okay, we're going to be sliding into some Tom Petty here, guys. I hope you like Tom Petty. If you don't, well, I can't please everybody. Kiss my butt. Anyway, yeah. Okay, we got Tom Petty coming up on deck. We're going to be running probably at least a triple shot of Tom Petty. Okay, you guys ready? You boomers on the East Coast, wake up now. Take your medications, right? Take your meds. Get your stretching in. Yeah, I was going to shit, shower, and shave this morning. That's for all my military, all my brothers out there that know what I'm talking about. But I might just shower. Anyway, anyways, you guys have yourself a. Okay, we're gonna be listening to some. I guess it's Tom Petty, right, guys? Yeah. There we go, guys. Thomas Petty. It's coming.